gamers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Assassin's Creed Rogue crashing. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with running Assassin's Creed Rogue here, there are going to be a few things that you need to consider and you need to do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that you meet the minimum specs or the recommended specs here for Assassin's Creed Rogue. Now sometimes just meeting the minimum specs here are not enough, so you need to maybe meet the recommended one. So this one is quite low, so you should have like around like Intel Core i15 2400, and also have like NVIDIA GeForce GTX 560 Ti or something equivalent here. But yeah, so just make sure to meet the specs here. But if you don't meet the specs, then unfortunately that's the cause why it's actually crashing. Now, if you're sure you actually meet the specs here, next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you update everything here. That includes your GPU and Windows as well. So if you're using NVIDIA, you want to open up the NVIDIA app here. And you want to go ahead and go to drivers at the left side here and just click on download or update. Now, sometimes having an unupdated driver here or not having your GPU not being updated can cause a lot of issues. So in this case, updating it is a great way for you to solve any of those issues. Now, next thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that you update your Windows. So at the bottom section here, go to search, just type in Windows Update. Go ahead and open up update settings here. And from here, you want to go and just click on check for updates and just wait for it to fully be updated. So if it actually asks you to install the updates, just click on the install update button there and just wait for it to complete. Now, once updates complete, restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your library and look for your game that you're having problems with. Like for example, you're having problems with this game, right click on it and want to go to manage, and you want to go ahead and click on the option here for properties, by the way, and you want to go to install files, click on browse, and you want to look for the .exe for that game, right click on it, and you want to go to its properties. You want to go to compatibility and want to make sure that you choose the following, which first is going to be disable full screen optimization, run this program as administrator, and also this is just optional. You could go and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Just click on apply and OK. And once you've done that, go and run the game and see if that solves your issue. So yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you could try doing here to solve this problem with Assassin's Creed Rogue, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.